guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this aggressive shake effect on a CapCut PC. So go to effects and search for vertical blur. Just search it. If you can't find it, you have that option now. So add it like on top of the video and make it like as small as possible. Maybe like that small actually. And then I'm just going to copy and paste it twice. Copy it to all of your clips. Whoops. Let me just delete this first one. So just copy and paste it. And once you're done, you're going to add in shake. So just also search shake. I think it's under nightclub. Add it to your video and make it really small as well. And you're going to have the range to 50, that's fine, and the speed to 7. And you're just going to copy and paste that as well. I might make the like clip shorter too, actually. So, might have to add them again. Okay, let me just delete these, sorry. Because you don't want your clips to be like super long. There you go. I'm actually just going to copy it, like the 3 of them now. Actually, I might make it a little bit bigger. I mean longer. Can I not? Okay. Once you're done with that, you're going to select the video, go to animation, select in, and select the rock vertically one. And you're going to basically add that to all of your videos. And to add the flash, just simply go to media and go to library, go and select the white stock video. Just going to make this like till the end. Select overlay for this. Animation out, fade out, and you're going to add the duration to select till the end of the video. And you're going to basically copy and paste that to all of it. Like that. And make sure you adjust the duration as you go because it is important. Sorry, it's taking me like a few minutes to do this. Okay, we've done that one. Okay. And that is it. You can add a fade out at the end of your videos, but I am too lazy to do that, but you can. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!